Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have aniline, ortho position you have acid, and you are using nitrous acid, sodamide, and ammonia. You should find what will be the final product. Here you have acid and amine. You are using nitrous acid. It will form diazonium salt. So diazonium salt has nitrogen. It's a very good leaving group. And you have acid in the system. The CO2 also very good leaving group. So you have two very good leaving groups. So what really happened? It formed triple bond, which is benzene. Then you are using sodamide and ammonia. You have amine formation. The concept you have to learn here is whenever you have two adjacent leaving groups in the benzene system, you might expect benzene. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.